60-second crawl space plumbing inspection. Let's go. Corroded galvanized pipe. Corroded cast iron drain pipe. Corroded galvanized water supply pipe. Corroded cast iron drain pipe. Leaking water supply pipe from a cross connection between galvanized and copper. More galvanized water supply pipe corrosion about to start leaking. Piece of paper used between galvanized strapping and copper water supply pipe. Corroded shutoff valve on water heater. Upgraded ABS drain pipe. Right down to my clean out that I'll be looking for next. Water heater upgrade, missing expansion tank and sediment trap as always, and the seismic strapping is inadequate.